How important is it to look after the elderly and our parents? From your words, please.
You know, it's like a lot of people make mistake. They treat their parents like regular people, like other people. You know, parents, it's not like regular people. They very special. They're very special. Even when they ask you something, when they tell you something, like even if they're wrong, you know, you cannot treat them like other people. You know, parents is so special, and they have to be special all life. And my advice, just treat them like okay, for example, if someone like president or king call you, how you gonna treat his when he asks you something? You have to treat them like this, like kings, like president. They're very special. Nobody like parents. And you know, and even in our religion, you know, even if you don't like something, if your father doing, you cannot talk with him like with other people.
Great.
Even if he's wrong, you know. And what about if they say good things for you and you don't wanna follow this, you know? You have to be very patient with them. You have to be very careful, because parents, today's parents and tomorrow they live very fast. And if you guys have parents, just treat them like kings.